Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, today we have with us someone who loves playing with Khatra and he's a boss in himself. There is no prize for guessing that we are talking about the one and only, the supremely talented, the dashing, and the fitness icon, Karanveer Mehra. Hi Karan, I hope
Hi.
you're doing well.
Very good, yeah. Thank you.
Welcome back to Delhi NCR. कैसे हैं
Thank
आप?
you. Back क्या है तो अपना घर है भाई.
अपना घर है, exactly. And look at the love you are
I'm
getting
so
from all the
overwhelmed.
corners.
Overwhelmed. Thank you so much.
So you are a fitness icon in your own right. So one tip which you have to give to a beginner who wants to be fit, as fit as you, what tip would you like to give?
Or keep giving these interviews like this. Last minute. एकदम fit रहते हो
That's
फिर
right,
आप.
exactly.
है ना?
But
Flight
one
miss हो
tip,
जाएगी बस.
but one tip.
One tip है खाओ पियो ऐश करो खुश रहो.
Dilli ka munda, working out at Anyday Fitness, who better than Karanveer Mehra? Step into the gym. Then our trainers will take care of you, whatever your goals are. आप gym आओ and then we will take care of you.
Fitness is something we all swear by. After all, we all want to be fit in our life. And today we have with us someone at Filmy Beat who is all set to fit you at any time. We are talking about the MD of Anytime Fitness, Vikas Jain. Hi sir, I hope you are doing well.
I am doing very well. How about yourself?
I'm doing great. So I would like my camera person to pan the camera to make us see what an amazing, beautiful event that has just happened in Noida, Greater Noida. So, for talking about fitness, I can see you also a fit person, and we had Big Boss 18 winner Karanveer Mehra as the chief guest who inaugurated everything. So, what was the thing that made you bring him? Of course, he's Delhi ka Munda, so he's a perfect fit for this inauguration. But what made you bring him back? He's from Bombay now. What made you bring him back to Delhi for the inauguration event?
So he is our member in a Anyday Fitness gym in Goregaon, Mumbai. And he has been working out and he's a fit guy. And that, Dilli ka munda, working out at Anyday Fitness, who better than Karanveer Mehra?
So, talking about fitness, what is that one mantra that you would like to give to beginners? Not one mantra, at least two, three mantras you would like who have just started a fitness journey.
First of all, our gyms are open 24 hours. We are global reciprocity. So जो excuses हैं कि time नहीं है वो तो खत्म हो गए,
Time
right?
नहीं है, time नहीं है.
So that all is taken care of. We are anytime, anywhere, and for anyone, right? So the fitness mantra I'll want to give is at least step into the gym. Then our trainers will take care of you, whatever your goals are. But life बहुत busy है. सब लोग super अपने पैसे कमाने में लगे हुए हैं. But अपनी health को पीछे मत छोड़ो. आप gym आओ and then we will take care of you.
So, as we know, fitness is an integral part of our lives. And imagine opening the 150th gym. So, how was the experience overall when you imagined this? Of course, Rome was not built in a single day, and it might have took you a lot of years, lot of efforts to see the magic. So, take us through that journey.
So we opened our first gym in February 2013. January, February 2013 का time था. It is a little above 12 years and we opened our 150th gym. So one gym per month की speed से grow करा. Initially slow था, but now we have picked up speed and opening more gyms. It's been a tough journey. हिंदुस्तान में लोगों को workout करने की आदत नहीं है. So pulling out people and giving them a facility that they should deserve, it has been incredible and a tough journey.
So, before we wrap up the segment, Sir is going to become the businessman. I and everyone else is going to become the customer. You have to give me five good reasons why I and other people should visit your gym. Anytime.
We are open 24/7. We offer global reciprocity. We provide personalized coaching services. We offer value for money and for the money you have paid, and we help you achieve your goals.
Thank you so much for your valuable time. I wish you all the best, and we hope we keep on meeting and you
Yes.
keep us inspiring.
Thank you so much.
So for more updates, keep us following on Phillybeat. And remember, fitness might not be achieved in one day, but it takes one by one effort to be the person that you are. Thank you.